they got to talk to each other. Now, there is another bird nest that I didn't even know that was in this plant on our front porch. And a mama bird has laid her eggs somewhere. Oh, there it is. There it is, right in my fern plant. Let's see. Do you see those little eggs? There they are. There's the eggs. We're going to keep watching and see. What do you think is going to happen to those eggs? We wanted to know how animals grow and change. There might be some animals growing and changing in your yard or in your neighborhood. The mama bird saw me coming in. She flew to that tree right there. She is in that tree waiting for me to leave. So I am going to leave her home alone. And we are going to keep watching. Every couple of days, we'll keep watching and see what happens to those eggs in those little bird nests. I have 2 of them on my porch.